West Warwick family exposed to carbon monoxide plans to sue the landlord. They say he's avoiding them and giving little to no information about the condemned building. Good evening, everyone. I'm Tamara Sakarzik.
And hello once again, everyone. I'm Dan Janik. This is a story that we've been following for you right here on NBC 10. NBC 10's Temi Tope Atalaya live in West Warwick with how they're trying to move forward. Temi Tope?
Dan and Tamara, the family says that they are frustrated over the lack of communication and they want answers.
I want you to tell me whatever information that you have about the building.
Frustrated and fed up.
Right now, we're just supposed to be getting a couple of things.
Alexandra Dowding and her sister were led inside their second-floor apartment to grab a few things.
Baby formula. All the things that a baby needs to survive.
This blue three-story building on East Greenwich Avenue was condemned 2 weeks ago after a carbon monoxide exposure sent Dowding's family to the hospital. She believes it came from this heating system.
We've never had any issues. I didn't think anything of it. I thought, it's kind of old, but it did work.
Dowding, who is pregnant, her fiance, 2 kids, and dog have been at a motel. They're trying to get all of their belongings and answers from property management Rex Real Estate, also known as Rex Investments, LLC. We went over to West Warwick Town Hall to find that Rex Investments was taken to court last month for failure to comply with inspection notices. There is now a lien against this property, and the owner was issued fines, including one of more than $12,000. Dowding says they're grateful to now have another place to stay.
So we have been paying out of pocket for the hotel that Red Cross had put us in, and we're working with Crossroads, Rhode Island, for funding for a new apartment that we have recently just obtained, thank God. So we will be moving, I think the 15th, into our new home.
Dowding tells me that they plan to sue the landlord. We reached out to Rex Investments for comment, but still have not heard back. Live in West Warwick, Temi Tope Atalaya, NBC 10 News.